Imagine a sultry day in Miami Beach. The sun is relentless, but you're cool. How? Mickey's Balcony Air Conditioning Services, that's how. We specialize in keeping homes and businesses as refreshing as the azure waters Miami is known for. From routine maintenance to emergency repair, no job is too big or too small. We tackle the most common issues: refrigerant leaks, sensor problems, drainage issues, and more. With our team of experienced technicians, we'll have your air conditioning unit humming like a well-tuned symphony. And guess what? We're not just any air conditioning service. We're a part of Miami Beach. Like the Art Deco Historic District or the vibrant Lincoln Road, we're a staple in this community. So when the heat gets unbearable, remember Mickey's Balcony. We're more than a service. We're a cool breeze on a hot Miami day. Don't delay. Contact Mickey's Balcony as soon as possible and transform your space into an oasis of comfort.